Hey guys, welcome back to It's a Sweet and Savory Life. I hope you're having a great day. Today I am going to show you how I make my quarantine makeshift garlic bread. I know a lot of us can't go out to the grocery store right now to grab, a couple things here and there, and for us garlic bread is one of those things we can't grab, so I figured I'd make my own. So I just have some regular artisan bread that I had bought at my grocery store earlier in the week when I went grocery shopping, and I am just going to give it a nice coat of butter. I want it to be a nice moist bread, but I don't want it to be soggy. Now I'm adding on a bunch of different spices, things like onion powder, garlic powder, garlic salt, black pepper. I'll do some olive oil, some oregano. You'll see all that here, but you can really change up the herbs and spices to whatever you like. Some basil would have been really good on this. Some red chili flakes would have also been really, really good to give a little bit of pizzazz, but I was just making a basic recipe, as you'll see here. And I am pretty heavily seasoning this bread. I want flavorful garlic bread. Who wants bland garlic bread with their pasta dishes or soups and things? You'll also see that I'm sprinkling on some of the grated Parmesan cheese. I know it's not the best stuff, but if I had fresh Parm, trust me, I would have put that on there. You'll also notice here I'm going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. Now, again, typically this is not a cheese that I would add. I would have loved to have done some mozzarella or, again, some extra Parm cheese or even Asiago, but all I had was this half a brick of sharp cheddar cheese, so that's what I used. You got to use what you got. Alright, so I'm basically just making sure everything's nice and spread out, and now I'm going to put that bread, it already looks so good, into my preheated oven at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to bake that for probably 6 to 8 minutes, really just until the cheese is melted and the bread toasts up nicely, like you see here. It was so flavorful, you guys, so good, and so slightly caramelized too. It was really great. Now you can definitely serve it like that, or you can cut it in half like I did and kind of spread it out a bit more. I definitely find that because of the size of this bread, you can definitely cut it in half. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you survive this quarantine like the rest of us. I hope this recipe gives you some inspiration, and hopefully we'll see each other soon. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.